day off?
Mm-hmm.
Just like a stone, a rock, a sock filled up with nickels. But if you still care, then I'll come up for air.
Hi, my name's Frederick McGuffin, and my family's recipe for barbecue sauce has been a secret for 150 years. And when I die, it's going to my son Ricky, and he's going to keep it safe for another 150. Heard that, Dad?
Hey, Ricky. It's Mitch from Morning Shift. I'm so sorry to have to tell you this, but,
My dad? Are you sure? What? Nah, okay, come on. Okay, well, listen, just, stay right there. I'm gonna send someone over. Just don't call anyone, okay? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, boss. Heard that. Who the hell comes to work early on a Sunday? Mitch Stockridge.
Keith! I didn't realize you were scheduled for today.
Take me to the briefcase. Do it now, Mitch.
Heard that? Right this way. I am so sorry. What's going on? What's so important about the briefcase?
Old man McGuffin loved that secret recipe. He didn't want Ricky to have it. He knew that Ricky didn't love the family business or the secret recipe. So Ricky decided to take what he wanted.
Hello?
Blockbridge? Where's Keith? What? That's nuts. You sit tight, man. I'm coming over personally. God damn.
Children.
It's, Mitch, sir. Why'd you have to come in on a day off? Seriously. Who does that? Briefcase? project coming in early.
Hi, I'm Frederick McGuffin.
I am so stupid.